Hello and a warm welcome to Speak English Every Day. I am Grace, your gentle English teacher. Today, you will learn the English alphabet and basic sounds. This lesson will help your ears and your mouth. You do not need to read. You only need to listen. Relax your mind. Take a slow breath. And let us begin. Every English word begins with a sound. When you learn the sounds, you learn how to speak clearly. Today, you're building the foundation of your English. This is a very important step, and you are doing it beautifully. What is the English alphabet? The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters help us read and speak. Some letters are vowels. Some letters are consonants. First, we will learn the vowels. Then, we will learn the consonants. We will go slowly, so your ears can learn calmly. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are very important. Most English words need vowels. Now listen to the vowel sounds slowly. A sounds like A in apple. A, apple. E sounds like E in egg. E, egg. I sounds like I in ink. I, ink. O sounds like O in orange. O, orange. U sounds like U in umbrella. U, umbrella. O in orange. O, orange. U sounds like U in umbrella. U, umbrella. Now listen again slowly. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Your ears are learning these sounds. Now we will begin consonants. Listen slowly. A sounds A as in apple. B sounds B as in ball. C sounds K as in cat. D sounds D as in dog. E sounds E as in egg. F sounds F as in fish. G sounds G as in goat. Now listen to them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now listen to the next group. H sounds H as in hat. I sounds I as in ink. J sounds J as in jug. K sounds K as in kite. L sounds L as in lamp. M sounds M as in man. N sounds N as in net. Now listen again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now the next letters. O sounds O as in orange. P sounds P as in pen. Q sounds Qu as in queen. R sounds R as in rat. S sounds S as in sun. T sounds T as in top. Listen again slowly. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now the last group. U sounds U as in umbrella. V sounds V as in van. W sounds W as in watch. X sounds X as in box. Y sounds Y as in yellow. Z sounds Z as in zebra. Now listen again. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Beautiful. You have now heard all the letters. Now we will blend some simple sounds. B, A, B. C, A, K. D, A, D. M, A, Ma. P, O, Po. T, O, to. Blending helps you read and speak. This is how words are formed. Now just listen quietly. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, goat. H, hat. I, ink. J, jug. K, kite. L, lamp. M, man. N, net. O, orange. P, pen. Q, queen. R, rat. S, sun. T, top. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, box. Y, yellow. Z, zebra. Let your ears learn naturally. Do not rush the alphabet. Speed will come later. First, focus on clear sound. Clear sound creates clear speech. Listen again tomorrow if you can. Repetition is the key to success. You are building your English from the root. Roots grow silently, but they make the tree strong. You are doing a great job. Even if you only listen, you are learning. Today, you learned the English alphabet and basic sounds. This is the foundation of all English speaking. Tomorrow, we will learn simple greetings, like hello, hi, and good morning. Thank you for giving your time today. Listen again if you can. Practice one sound today, and always remember, speak English every day. This is Grace, wishing you calm learning and steady progress. Until tomorrow, take care.